me atami abo apetita we mo song for filama na so what me can say and me can fu a YouTube channel papa dia ma your friend home sweet food you can say home sweet food crowd no me dey send ye aduane local dishes Ghana obabu ho no ma henshen kwa social media ni pictures ni selfie ni nyama ni twa ye aduane de boa mo kwa awale 2 days na gu aduane no anti home sweet food channel yes sister Penny Harriet etnase echrese ne ye aduane se ne ye banku se ne ye de nchine gum se ne ye de garlic se ne ye de something called ingredient on what I say ye de kuma aduane na spicy something called spicy me say je bia say ye local dishes ne amai for so aduane se ne ye no fried rice se ne ye obi ko se ne ye no nso hie peto de be edo be fema se ne be chiro nso hie onua subscribe to home sweet food na sister Harriet be chiro the procedures and the process and the precaution and the steps to cook a food. Nice one there. Me that's what me say oh no yahwa be ma kwa betima because be sua se ne ye aduane to avoid to buy ingredient, how to put the salt inside the food, how to put the little make a mighty ocean. What is a little drop of water make a mighty ocean to build a fantastic food. Me that's what me on your go subscribe na me and notification bell so anytime we cook any food, anytime we describe any food, either banku or content.
Really no na me nwa be ma waka ye woni. Really no na me nwa be ma waka ye woni so hia na ye be no na so hia de ani e kokopa na e be koyese. Welcome you all to Home Sweet Food. Yeah, today we are going to make our sobolo and you are all invited. Don't go anywhere and let's check this sobolo out. So this is a packet that comes in with my sobolo leaves, and you can get sobolo leaves in your supermarket, African market, Asian market, all the market that you do shop. You can get this sobolo leaves over there, and you can also shop online and it will be at your doorstep. You don't need to go out to get this hibiscus flower. I'm just taking 4 cups of sobolo leaves, and I'll give it a quick rinse. And at this point, I find it necessary to do so in case there is any dirt on it. I can get rid of it. It's a one name baby a sobolo so just give it a quick wash and then I'll rinse, and yeah, you'll be good to cook this sobolo out. Just say pomodinko na yehwehwa mayene here busia for. So I took 4 cups of sobolo leaves, and I'm going to soak this sobolo in water and then cook it the next day. So like it's midnight, so I'm going to soak this sobolo, and then we see how it looks like in the morning. Just say ekoyi angaza. I heard someone saying, oh, your sobolo is too much. Yeah, I'm going to share this sobolo with my sister and then a friend. To say, yeah, boost your immune system. Then that's the pineapple. You do it in a minute. Sobolo, everything is washed and clean. I have the pineapple and then apple, ginger, and then the pineapple crown. I have groves, and then black grape. Then I have the grain of Selim. Just say eko yankasa. Eko mana ye spicy pa. So some people do add black pepper and then a bit of pepper, but I'm not gonna add it because I have some children who are going to take some of this sobolo. So I'm going to chop the pineapple, then I'll just be leaving some to grind to make some juice. So for me, I don't peel my pineapple because it has a lot of health benefits. So I just chop everything and then add to my sobolo. And then I also add the fruit to avoid adding sugar to my sobolo. And as you can see, when I soak the sobolo overnight, look at how beautiful it is. You got a nice color. Just say the sobolo made this just say so if you soak your sobolo ahead of time, you get this nice color. So I'm adding all my fruits, the pineapple crown, the apple, and then the black grape. you do the Grove and then the Selim and then the ginger. We're going to blend that one. So I just add the fruits in my Sobolo to avoid adding sugar in my Sobolo. So if you're checking your sugar and if you like Sobolo but because of the sugar you don't like it, just give this recipe a try and you're going to love how I'm making my Sobolo. Just say ekoyankasa. Just say me first should be onto me Sobolo more. Just say apomodeyankasa. Oh, boost your immune system and yet and so Sobolo have a lot of health benefit. That is why I just say obienum Sobolo no. Yeah. So Sobolo, one of the benefit that I learned was it helps to boost our immune system. No wonder everyone was drinking Sobolo when we got this pandemic. Just say ekoyi ankasa just say unu obuzeri nyina ye na apomuden bro na just say ye no fambo ye ho ban ankasa. So I'm just going to let this Sobolo be on fire for 20 minutes. I'm not rushing for this Sobolo to simmer. Just say ebeye boko we de enye jasu potopoto bia ento ne boase. So I'm just adding some cinnamon stick that I wash and dry, and then I'll be adding some star anise seed. It all have a health benefit. That is why I do add it. Just a me na me he ma de ufintini e ya pomodin ebe bo abusian and no na ya medical. So the star anise seed too have a lot of health benefit. Star anise seed, if you have any other digestive issues, if you are constipated and if you have respiratory infection, this spice will help you out. So you can search more and see how this spice works, and if it's good for you, you can add them into your food. Home sweet food. This is how I'm making my simple and healthy Sobolo. So I just mash the black grape with my ladle to release all the sweetness in that grape. It's a basa and my demi na ya the AP boom in the So thank you all for checking in my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And to my old subscribers, I say thank you all, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones too. So at this point, I chop the pineapple into pieces to make it easier to blend, and I would be blending the ginger and then the Grove and then the grain of Selim. Just say yeah, spices juice na so they are Sobolo ebe kuyi just say no come on so the pineapple that I'm going to make, we're also going to sweeten the Sobolo. We are not going to add any sugar in our Sobolo. So I'm going to blend the ginger, then the Cloves, and then the grain of Selim to make that juice too. Never get tired drinking this Sobolo and making it for my family because it has a lot of health benefits, because it keeps your liver healthy, and if you're checking your blood sugar, taking in this drink is the right one for you because it can lower your blood sugar if you're not adding any sugar. Yeah, just make it healthy and you're gonna love it. It also good like helping menstrual cramps, weight management, and then rich in vitamin C. It has laxative properties and packed with antioxidant, and also help with depression, and it also lower your blood pressure. Hey, Chakra, you be fifi a channel. No. This is a new Sobolo bar on YouTube. Just say, Ekoyi Ankasa. Wow, she in the Kobo horse. So I made this Sobolo like around 4 midnight because the kids were not sleeping, so I found this time perfect to do my Sobolo video. Just a Obia dana ye Sobolo. Just a kuyi pa with the so yeah, it was 4:24. The kids were not sleeping, or so mommy needs to do some video. So let me go rest, and then you'll be back to serve this Sobolo. Thank you all for watching. I love you all, and don't go anywhere because you're about to start this Sobolo party. Just say, "Mashani grade, many one and it's not all that hot." So let's drain this Sobolo and start serving. So it's 1:40 and we are ready to serve this Sobolo. So it's not all that hot, so let's drain this Sobolo and then we enjoy together. Just say many one yebenum abra ya shani grade ansa yedu bia de amana. I'm adding the pineapple juice that we made to make this Sobolo flavorful. We are not going to add any sugar to our Sobolo. Say Eko Yipa Apomden Kwanso. And then with the spicy juice that we made, that's the ginger, the green of Selim, and then the Grove. That one, don't overdo it. So just put it in bit by bit and then taste if it's good for you. And then you can serve this drink hot or cold or with some ice. Yeah, the kids are going to take some, so I left some. But then you want to friends yes. Let's have a taste. Cheers to you all. It's a koyangaza. You are all invited for this healthy Zobo drink. A koye papa. Thank you all for watching. Cheers. A koye. Another cheers to you all. Thank you to my old subscribers and to you watching. If you're new here, I welcome you all to my channel. And please don't forget to like this video, share, leave me a comment, and then please subscribe to this channel for more videos if you have not. Please stay safe because we are still in the pandemic. Wash your hands and clean running water, and don't forget to wear your nose mask because we are still in the pandemic. Please protect yourself and keep yourself safe and your families. So we meet in another video. Bye bye.